by 8-inch piece of fabric. Fold it in half, then measure 3 inches in from each edge and mark, leaving a space between the marks open to accommodate a filter. When you're done, bring the seam to the center. Now cut 2 7-inch pieces of elastic and pin them between the layers of fabric, one end at each corner on each side of the mask. Then just sew along the edges to close up the sides and secure the elastic. Turn the fabric right side out, press it, and you're ready to add pleats. To make the pleats, mark the fabric by placing pins 1 inch from the bottom on each side of the mask. Now keep pinning all the way across. We'll put the correct spacing on the screen for you. These pleats are important because they help the mask expand completely to cover your nose and chin. When your pins are in place, fold the fabric, lining up the pins, secure with extra if needed, and sew along the edge. Continue doing that on each side of the mask and it's ready to go. Easy, right? And now that you have it down, you can make some masks for yourself and some extras to donate.